Makosana. After Jelakara and the 6th last week, mu studio ya Makosana, Blakjak ananena suna kuti akufuna tidzamve kumbali yake maga pankhani imene inachitika pa 26 September ku show ya Onesimus. So mu studio muno pano ndili ndi Blakjak amene wabwera nayenso kuti afotokoze mbali yake. Takulandani bwana.
Zabo.
Bobo.
Bobo.
Yeah.
Bobo. Malawi mwibwa. Bobo.
Tufuna timve bwino kuti kodi kwenikweni chinachitika ku show ndi chani.
Alright, I think that yankule ndicheka londa amene.
Yankule ndicheka londa amene anali host ku show.
Artist.
All right. Okay.
Yankule ndicheka londa. Of course, that's not why I was here, but I'll pass through that. The yankule was minezozo.
Okay.
Koma kwambi kwenikweni nabwera ndizifuka zitatu. Nabwera kuzaa pepesa.
All right, thank you.
Very good in front of pepesa kwa ndani. Don't celebrate yet.
All right, muza pepesa kwa ndani.
Ndiuza.
Okay.
Nabwera kuzala ngiza.
Okay.
Eti?
Yeah.
Ndiuza vanga clarify. I think it's into status when it's before they amend it.
Okay, tisanafike kumene koko tufuna timve mmene zinachitikira ku show on your side.
So clarification.
Yeah, we can say that.
Okay. You know, I think hana mbiriyo anthu angomva. So anthu akamamva nkhani akamauzana imangosintha eh. But the truth of the matter probably nkhani ngono kwambiri is just a very quick straightforward issue.
All right.
Artist wabukidwa kudaza imbe 1 koloko 1:30. Artist yo wafika 4:30.
All right.
Tage wimba yabidirira. Ma organizers are show and plus the stage manager. Whatever nga advise ine ngati host wa show. Kule artist uyu achedwa asayimbe.
All right.
Whatever.
Okay. Koma kuchedwa kwa artist amene tikuti wachedwa. It's also your mistake.
No, not at all.
What he said.
Kuti anthu ambiri akumamva mbali imodzi. That's why I'm here. You know what? Let me tell you this. Ine sindipanga na organize show iyi. Sindipanga nawo.
All right.
I was booked to host this show. Edi? Kimozi show ya Makosana ija. Yama awards it. Nabanga book kundibange host. What time did I come? Were you there?
No, I wasn't there.
Mina some people were there.
Yeah.
Nabwera chama 10. Koma chibenda panga na nkulandia ine aga show.
Okay.
Mundifuna nthawi yanji. Angofika chama 10:30. Nabwera chama 10. Artist ambiri kulibe. 3/4 za artist kulibeko.
All right.
Yes, koma I was the first one there. As old as I am.
Koma
as big as I am. Now, you artist you.
Yeah, sis.
Yeah. Chimenya yika nyonera kuti anthu amene amanga organize show, one of them DT. Anali kumangochi. Amanga zinthu zina, this is on a Saturday.
All right.
Then he calls me because ineyo ndimene anyamuke ndiye. DT. Kwa fona kumangochi calls me say unyamuke ndakina pixel for nende kumangochi. Ndiye pali a certain lady akupatsa ndrama.
Saturday imene no?
Ndrama zimezo zitenga. Uwatumizire ma artist ma deposits awo. Ndana ndipasa list ya ma artist acha. Pepa jabana ina big glue, ina pixel, ina 60 bare ma guy. Kunda atumizire ndrama.
Alright.
Ndrama ije mabwera waine. Okay, apata nduza zimene I think anauza ma artist. So ma artist also amanifusa including 60. Ananifusa. I say, anduza $1 ulitumizira namuza onati ya koma ndrama sina ndifika.
Okay.
Ikanifika ndrama I'll let you know. Then ndrama jama zandifika ineyo chama 6. Before the money came into me. Ana tagwiza na ndi yeyo tagwiza ne
60
kuna I think ndangobeleka $1 na nyamuka
ana munai mukudzozwa kale kulilongo.
Yes.
Okay.
Ndangobeleka $1 na nyamuka ndavaya ndokwera paka meza ndokwera masienta mataxi yet ndikuvaya ikakupeza $1 yo then ndiuzane chochita namutumizira message kuti I've got the money, advise, please advise ndiuze ndikuti ndipangena lo damage komanda basidwa kashit ndipangena yo chani na was okay I think ndikumizira $1 ndikumizira number yo ndikumizire bo ndrama yeti namza chabwino
limene lo Saturday
no this time kukudano chama 9:10 usiku kukuda then show ijayata ya blanda summer party tajama past 10 usiku ndikunyamuka ndipita nyumba kwakonzeka ndipanga refresh na neswe ndikunyamula zinthu zanga ne sina gone ndikunyamuka ndipita black ulilongo. We started off at 11:30. Edi kufika ulilonge tafika ulilongwe nalo kuti mene no iye yananyamuka kupita uko ndinopanga host show sifona nga sindi kuimva ndipanga host show fona nga sili nini ndikupanga host show ya blanda summer party usiku edi
ya Saturday mene
ndiwo tumeza message ena ake ndero ma message amene aja yeah it's not possible to take here.
Yeah, because he said that.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Good. He said that unfortunately he wanted to say that. Ndamene makanga aja ndi ndamaja abwera advice. Ndaona no kuti munthu amandifuse koma wanyamuka.
Okay.
Yeah. So takwizana kuti namba yanga ngontumizira ndikafika umvesete
yeah
ali kutika pepo munthu
kulilongo
ali ulilongwe po ine nafika ulilongwe ku 21 ine kulilongwe sima kuzoba bona fika kwera 21 aja ku barracks usiku AM I mean ma 5 AM so I slept eti ndaendesa usiku ndine munthu ndagona mamawa ananimbira phone ma 7 phone yanga ifuna izitima eti
mutumize ndrama
tozaje tipange banya mzala sepa nomwe ndangofika naenda usiku nedu no player guy koma wandisusa ndiwe ndizitolere ndizuke ndizitolere ndikasamba ndikazitolera ndikuuzana kuti ndikutumizira dollar banje
alright
yeah so fast forward to when I sent him the money now
yes mutumizira ndrama
that all the story that ndenda pangazanga iyo jatali 49 namuzala neso ndikubaja ku 49 kongo ndo menitaza konzekele uzanyamuka
okay
ati normally when I go in Lilongwe I stay in area for 9 mo ndokhala kwa Tana Mr. Broken English
okay
ndafika kwa Tana kuja share my bag the first thing I told Tana they need dollar you need to miss funds about 500,000 wash eti
yes
ndio tando lesepa ya money pamene anga pange 100 drama say obviously
alright
because every money works in two ways uma basa drama you are kind of value it you not dumize I get to a guy amene amamudalira ali be value obviously
alright
then nalinga drama ija ndikumubasa
kuti atumize ndi
aya madziwa anandithana ndi pafupi ndi kwawo kuti iyeyo atitumize no phone mayineyo akupanga source value kwa zinzake sina sinangoyima bebe madigiri
alright
ndiye uno wapweto manager sateka zake zo ndivungira ndrama ija kwa yato mani wanga
alright musana pitilize when 6 tarabwera bano anafotokoza onena kuti nthayo say amucha desamena mamutumiza ndrama namba inaonetsa kuti ndramazo zafika kuchokera direct ku phone ya Blakjak amene apano bali disemupanga dress like check alonda then he questioned to say ngati nthayo say ndrama nene phone why is he sending me now nthawi yotayika komanso through his phone so he's clarifying to say kunena kuti zinachitikazo ndi mmene wafotokozera munena kuti amafunafuna munthu amene ndi value ndi anapanga transfer phone market and then anatumiza let's continue
sharp that answers the question anyway
yes you have answered
yeah so I've got a conversation here that I wanted to go through
okay
yeah
free.
When I say the how soon do you need the money there's me here and I've got the money now advice I think when I'm now
yes
now that which is the best way I would said which is the best way to send the money now so how soon do you need it and lose how soon because I gonna lose how soon I was a pressure didn't tamanget right
all right
can move the pesa muntu ulonga upase when I said how soon and for say which is the best way because I need to mizira pa yato mani kabani tume muntu azatengi right now so yeah you would want advice nayo tell me what to do
because it's your money
hey tell me what to do
yes I've seen
yes so this guy says I send go money they go to this number right make sure it writes good rollings nama something I don't know namanya
okay
yes so when I touched down in Lilongwe I posted a status touched down in Lilongwe yeye jana seka famu kumaseka zo phone kuzima right because I jokingly said the game kuma jonje ndangofika kumene kulilongo that was a joke and then he was laughing at this joke koma nduzandi kumbusa when he said phone kuzima I said sending
all right
I took a screenshot of an agent agent code papa agent
all right
couldn't find it now this agent is the one who didn't have value namusira then wanduza di ilembe chakulu chakuti wazanduza di yafika ndrama ichi this was 11 minutes past 11 masana mama awa
oh yeah it's in the morning okay
namuza nyatwa tatana it laughs tasiana sinampasa
yeah
so from 11 past 11 jamba tungotenga kuti from 12 o'clock to from 12 o'clock when I sent the money untwala alikuwa 49 koma so ine ndinayo.
Oh, you were in the same area.
Ndafika kwa for 9 ile sina wanzege ya alikuwa for 9 amango dikirira ndama assuming my assumption is another wanzege
yeah
komango dikirira nditumize ndama kana ile yourself
of course
so I sent the money to get 12 o'clock which was my job chomeni na pempedo so dina so njira ngana ngo pempedo
alright
kuna hapo kuti said that and is ndatumize ndama I was digato nena no
alright
because really I didn't care about good in the mapido ngagonga horse show.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
That was the number zata. Ready? So the other things that he said was I think afusene oka odi zikugwiza na bwanji ni drama. Because the vabeba jabo interview jamana di maganga na taxi ina ibeza 30,000. Where can you have a taxi at 30,000 kwa within Lilongwe?
Oh, he said kunena uti taxi akatenga kufunika kuti akakhale naye ku show. So his argument was that kunena
kuti akatengera 10,000 ikamudikira ku show.
Ikamudikira akamalize zonse.
And he said he needed another one kuti akaipesa taxi na.
Yes.
Kuti atengera taxi na akaipesa taxi na.
Exactly.
On the 40,000 that I sent him amafuna apangezo sezo
I don't really know. And I mean so bweza.
That's too ambitious. Pepo babweze po ndama ina ngongole pasale 30 pini na atenge taxi ya 30 pini ngandi show pompo atenge taxi ina ikatenge taxi ina.
That's what he said.
That's very ambitious though, because if I was an upcoming artist, a young guy, that's charge a show 80,000 right? Singa kind of ambitious ngana mene umatenga taxi mpaka na 40 pini. So
you're saying his ambition was too high for his level?
Not for the level, for his money. He was too ambitious, because if it was me, or ask my guy, or they were going to the show. If he's a very good friend, my guy, could I am just a born my guy? I don't believe good bagana kalavudo kudi abempemo twina agora uva ndayanje design now yano ngonje zina castle.
All right, okay. We have heard what you said. Let's move on to what happened ku show.
Now at the show, I'm doing double show in an Africa show, so not so
all right.
If you didn't know,
okay.
But I didn't come to Twitter, I didn't go to Facebook, I didn't go to Migozi, I didn't go anywhere else. I took it as a man.
All right.
On the right band.
All right.
We told you we figure about 12:30. This is one, Africa one.
So you were late with 30 minutes.
30 minutes. One kunga dineo. Then dada dineo.
Exactly.
30 minutes. I don't think I'll be another base. So the boss, Jambi Debat. I tend to go to Basa program is launched, but my program is number 1 o'clock. Same moment, number fig. Did I want to hand over wine in the pre-sale?
All right. Continue.
Tambanga host the show. Host show now, because as we were hosting the show, the list young from many other performers, including
60.
Hey, but Antua, this is not the first time. Trust me. What's your name?
Mary Moya.
Mary, trust me, this is not the first time. It's a tendency of young and up-and-coming artists. Agaborago show, they hide.
Okay.
I'm a full yage modo show.
Muli Pompo, you wrote Akugufusana Malawi 24 to say good. This upcoming artists, they pray hard and seek and make your job difficult.
Yeah, it makes even your job as difficult, very difficult. If you were a host,
okay,
or a TV guy who wants to interview a person and I'm not here in time,
yes,
what does that make your job difficult? Start calling me, where are you? I'm making your job difficult.
So are you saying this guy wasn't serious, he was neglecting?
That's what you say. Because in a single phone,
I'm asking you.
According to my rules, yes. Okay.
All right. You guys.
When you say you guys, which ones?
All right, is Super DT. I don't.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I said. The issues of Super DT and the Onesimus and the Danny, the other guy, 60 Madi.
Yeah.
And now. I told you this.
Yeah, you said that. You know, 11 minutes.
We now do I host the show?
All right.
As a host, I'm given a list. You resist Tina.
Let me figure a list.
Now, list and Banga show and how was Nanga Banga hide and see wow. In a big room, now so Mojedo, Alvena Bagi, Colagina Bianca, Abuela Daona, Alpasho Baja, and Jani. Now, I started doing my consultations. Guys, Priscilla, did it, okay, but at least I'm upcoming artist, my fan and I can go remember Sawon Kuno. In a DJ way, in a Nathan Tunes.
I mean, no sanali paposta.
Come on, I'll show you some of my fan and I'm going to be some good.
All right.
Okay. I'll be set up now. Now, every show, because my guy and I got my dad, I will be sad. We were commanded. Could you man my fan? Was then wapa uyu, do wapa uyu as you perform. We started that, building up the show. I'm saying I'm a kind of impatient. I'm a Zambia. Zambokoma. I'm going to get my guy. But I'm artist like Brina, Matisty, but I just know what they are going to I'm going to perform Bianca, Big Glue, you know, if you're going to go. Big Glue, I'm going to perform Bianca, I'm going to perform. But when you have people know, what figure about the Big Glue Bianca, I'm going to perform. From Big Glue Bianca and the 60th guy, I got a minute, but when I know about performance, you know, Magaji la Chanta, they win up. According to you, according to me, now these are the headliners.
Okay, so
of the show.
All right, the headliners. Let's call them.
Yes, because we shouldn't say and when I was let's respect that.
All right.
That's why I'm here. This is an important guy.
Okay.
60th, you found out about, you found out that member ball. That's why we have got the time. That's how I've got the time to come here.
Yes.
I can't really attention saying an
right, continue.
So I am going to Pofika Janta, Agina Suffixi, Agina Fredo Kisi, Agina Guamba, like Yafika no go. You know, come 6 if you Japali baby. This is now Jamma 3.
3 o'clock.
DT, what do we do? As I'm calling this 6 if guy, this is DT. He's telling me he's in area 49. 3. Ndama ndo mizangaza? 11 past 11. This is 3. Kana ndama sinda chok data nayo wene bo?
Yes.
Data nayo eh? Suma yo na kuona sasa jidinga zati ndama.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm doing the job again. Ndikupanga hosting ngini ja. I'll be quick because of the time.
Yes, be quick.
Watu rukira mtu jama 4. This time mama turukira jama 4 ndo line up jada ita isi hano tamba umesa gwamba akuimba. Agata gwamba pokena bwa Fredo Kisinimats.
Okay.
Agata Fredo Kisinimats pokena bwa suffix akude is stuck pa komo in cause balezi magamo zambiri. Akulowa. They were putting in now one is window vanga akaimba gwamba uja kona amagama ibira mabandi pama zakaka gap kodi bandi ya gwamba maliza babela ntwena. Tima gap made. Tima dolera mafana. Ale message. Titenga ba wili davunga. Kuti basankhala kwa edwa ujeni ba stage baje. Edi?
Yes.
Abera wina so Fredo Kisaga maliza sala lo suffix for balika gap tiavunga. Kuma by the time mama zabira 6 ife.
Ma 4 o'clock.
Bana ripoti no pene popo. Uchanta wabwera. KOK wabwera. Pixie wafika. Honestly wasiwafika because apana ndanda na lula mozi ndina make na madero mamba.
Yes,
Africa no amena maziona kuti any show at Africa. Mtaya sego matuma panga zimezi makonsekera zimezi. Show ikujilika bedi.
Yes. Antena panga perform.
TikTok B muri 6
yeah.
Is abanga concert ndi DT kuti afuna imba wabwera no this time.
Yes.
I glanced him madaima pa stage baja naona kuti paima artist. Sinanga mazo muntu pali ma DJ pakabwera artist oda kulwa. I went to DJ kafusa kuti what's your playlist like? Papa nyanya ngoma fana weso andwasa nyimbo. Right? Zara okay wafika ufana muze yakule DT. Edi?
Yeah.
Akuisane so zimaka kuisane za nduze ndi mige but sinanga papa no choyo ya tina edi?
All right. Pamene papa musana pitirize yeye atakhala the same seat you're sitting ananena kuti anamba kumpanga concert super DT and anamuzoti tenga nyimbo zako ukampatse DJ and atapita mepa chaku longoswa zimene zija iniyo munabwera konetsa kuti simukusangalala nazo kuti yeye akaiba stage aimbe.
No. Ine ndile host wa show ndikuyanga na uko. Kumbuye ukantopanga na concert ndikuona ngati? Yesi ndikuona ai. Kuna ntopanga na concert akuza na nyimbo. Ineyo ni mati ndikafuna kupita pa DJ makangomuza ati which music is ready artist wake ndio. Because buku limene mayanga napo ine ndimane kamaliza makalika pa DJ baje. So as a host you need to work hand in hand with the DJ kuti muzuza nacho chita. So I goes there said DJ anapanga mention kuti komaso ufana waika nyimbo zake. Anakuti okay cool I'm ready DT kana kuti ndi anduze where should I put him. Telling you and everyone else watching kuti cinema zio zina yankula nakale.
Or that moment mene mapita so.
Cinema zio yankula nakale. Nangoona uko bera artist wina.
All right.
Yeah.
So
ndikupanga yonjija kwa bera not right ndi DT uja I say did the stage so pele popo. Go Onesimus after this I'm going to imbe. For that Jamba documentary they want Joy Sana Loy. Because Onesimus' performance was like a movie. Ovesa?
Yes.
If a minute was busy seeing him stage but make up okay, oh okay, cool. No problem. But the Onesimus comes on stage, start tuning. Inaimba intro mina katatu. Intro di imena dika imba outuruke Onesimus. Inaimba mina katatu Onesimus sana turuke. Asana konzeketwe. Koma zidi manyama ine ngati.
Aye.
Dangonena kuti up next is nani? Onesimus. Akuchuna amalowera sound ja coming to America. Tinaimbidwa katatu. Asana tuluke. Kujiambira soja. Nabira pepa chakusadika. I mean is he not ready to be artist wina TK? And no, he's ready. Don't try kuyenga na jifuri chake kuda shoot ba stage baja balika chaos balika atipili kiti kopanga panga. Mimi demand panga zinde machoko kakao stage sali magacheza. So ina another side uyu TikTok DT aliside ina akambira nozo menezo zina makamba zoti zinaziza zoti kaya kukankhana kuza na go home
because in time ene yoya maforo kuzaonena kuti atabwera pa stage vo you show kuti ena kuti simufuna kuti apange perform.
How would I do that?
You wachedwa. That was your argument. He said that.
Why me though?
They atajamuka pamene pajamuta atankanka anapezosoti
anankankaso I didn't see that.
All right, anakankida and then anapita kuti mwina maybe he should try and
so you see all that time imene mukikamba bai in the other side.
And this one photo was you were talking about Onesimus Amalowa. Koma here he was saying kuti inali entire menika ina suffix and Fredo Kisi Amalowa around.
I'm a figure mo?
Yeah.
Because Onesimus performed right after I think suffix.
Yeah. So yeah, and how many kumachitika za ina suffix. You guys, why didn't you give him?
Okay, when you say you guys, what do you mean? Because did not book anybody. to perform at a show. Sini maziwa so kuda twagwizana jani. Ine ngokuti lokuti list yako ndi meuze sadira. Obviously.
Okay.
I'm like a driver. Wakuti wapindwa hala kuti tikupita kumulanje ukayima pachita kale.
All right.
So mungu anafuna kukhota akakwizana line yake kuti khothe so bako ndikatenge thumba chimanga. It's not me. Ndamuza nakagambira nafacha. Kumene kwachitika pushing ikwambidwa ayo. Kwachitika kade adanapita kaisa kwa mutente amamunguza ati ayi. So sezo nesiti kuziziwa watu sezo. Honestly, so banga perform now we are continuing with the list. Right. Wanevesa? Ndamfusa no titi uchalo. So sina kadaona no kuti panali fana wina wake. How are we handling? Umvesesele?
Yes.
How are we handling the situation ya fana obera uja? Anozati ndamuza kuti asayimbaso. You should go back home. For watani? Opanya na mulola show wachedwa. Komaso as it is looking fana obera atalenzera. Wanifa benema?
Pamene popo, before you continue, he said for the past month at auza mafanza ke kuti ndopita kapanga show, he was advised not to drink, and he said it 100% that he wasn't drunk that night.
Okay, he was advised not to drink.
Yeah.
Was the fans with him everywhere he went?
I do not know.
Thank you so much. So that's up to the fans. Okay. That's what I'm telling you. Because me and him we didn't interact. I don't think
Alright.
And the interview apart from the phone, the kind of music and drum.
Yeah, let's continue.
Yeah. So this time around I'm told he's off.
Okay.
Amucho tsapo. Azipita abwerere.
Kunyumba.
Saimba so for the two conditions. He's drunk. Komaso tawe again do something. But what do? I continue with the program. You say and kunali my upcoming artist close to 20. Odi anangolembe dwa kongo. List yama artist close to 20. These guys were troubling me so much and I'll tell you here, if they will come here to testify, every one of them performed.
They are not on the post.
Yes, a show doesn't mean good amanga perform. That is somebody poster basi.
All right, ngani ya tatabwera show ya tabwerako. So people were so selling by social media.
Yeah, now listen to this. I'll tell you a sad story.
Yes.
Chachoka show kuchata bwerako. Nabwera kunoko Sunday, Monday-ish. Nabwera Monday. Nabwera Monday ku 10. I had a mother in a hospital. Nabwera Monday ku 10. Tuesday, my mom died. This is a parent who raised me. Practically my aunt, and the lady in here. He died on Tuesday. Now I had time from Tuesday to Friday to mourn my mom. Say social media iguira and sindikutani sindikudziwa sindikuona ndiri kumaliro network iso ikuvuta then ndikuzabwera kunongo nungoona zima mentions pa Twitter pacha C60 Dicto B 60 chanyanya so ine nimogona kuti waya kamoto ndisina zake so I'm a banter guy. If you ask Makosana magaya Makosana,
yeah,
I know we need to interact with because if you ask Magaya Makosana, they know me as a guy who is charming. No one does sega, one be no one game marido sega. Every situation or serious one to know. They might bang and you chase. And I've done a lot of interviews. They my guy, I'm so sarcastic. The Abanga interview my guy, my buyer, I'm for Sena going. Or this sega interview Mujahid. This man
let's go back to 6.
You wanna social media kubata 60. Then I'm gonna put who is 60th? I'm a tani. Or visa?
Yes.
Now, that my question was to source reaction. Yeah, couldn't want to go to carry again because sitting at Banga follow just. The moment I tweeted that, was not advice Danny. As Banga comment, they will be retweeting and commenting. Couldn't even get.
So the people are finding that statement offensive.
How? How?
Okay, given the circumstances, the situation, how is
it offensive? Do you expect me to know everyone? Who are you? What do you do? Must I lose a one you were married and
yeah.
No. So were you offended because I asked who you are?
No.
Okay, is it automatic because in here I play music on TV? Could I should know every artist?
Yeah, you were an urban person, you're a media person.
Chief, there are a million artists, there are like over 1,000 artists in my this is why they you. Do I have to? I don't think that's very unfair.
All right, let's...
60
when you tweeted
it is a joke for me. It was all banter.
Okay.
I think my guy is serious. In Kanye, India serious. They going to follow me. So I came back morning here. Because I'm going to tweet. Don't go joke. I know who 60 is. Now I'm going to tweet John. Because I'm going to, by the way, I also want to meet this guy. Remember young honey. for one got Valentine.
Yes.
I'm willing to meet him in November like a canny. Come also I should meet Onesimus. November I would mean Gadineo so media and media. The take one van how we that were many that has gave us with our guys for the industry.
So did you took that step?
I took it. Now listen, I talked to Onesimus and I kunyanja. Onesimus knows that I say but no one did kunyanja, Lubanga guys or Sangara. Ndikabwira ndikusa.
Okay.
Now, I took another step. I texted TikTok B. Yes, 6 Sorry. So I'll be referring him to
Alright, no problem.
Yes, because I know him coming at TikTok B. I texted TikTok B. It's 6th. Money. Ugabeza time. Tikumane.
Okay.
The front of the story, the Vembaliago story. Professor?
Yes.
I want you to read this one. That I'm going to be Papa.
Meet me when you have time. I want to listen to your story. What do you mean, man?
Who said what do you mean, man?
Him.
And what did I say?
That's me offering you my hand.
Okay.
You said you don't know me, so what do you want? Just leave me alone, man.
So I texted this chap, young chap. Could I say, Tukumane, if I never can go popo. As a gentleman, the Wufuna fan and the they move in Baliaki. When I in this story, right? They move. Because now, the government was the Gudabanazo. Okay. They move my night. What did he say? He turned down that offer.
Do you blame him for turning down that offer?
No.
Why?
I don't, because I don't know. Maybe you were supposed to do that. But it's a mistake, though. Because you don't bite the hand that feeds you.
What do you mean by that's done?
You know, listen to this. I'm a biggest promoter of music in Malawi.
Okay.
I've got a huge company that does that. A very big company that promotes music in Malawi. It's called In-House Media.
Alright.
I interact with a lot of people. I've been sending people to Trace Africa. I've been sending people's music to Trace Africa. I'm the accredited person in Malawi. I remember to me the was Trace Africa.
Alright, to clarify about woman in Guti, in you are a media person, Mabanga promote music, and they are Baba. At the 60th wakubezana ndi nyimbo mwina akufuna tutse video atani nde ubale wanu uli motana pamene papo.
No. I got no problem with art. In any nyimbo that Zaire will done in Rose. From my side,
okay.
He also said, actually, why are we even talking about that? Because I mean,
given to what happened.
Do you know how many years I've been in the industry?
Tell me.
15 years.
Alright.
In the industry. Professor, the number we imba during this 17. Kwamba kuimba kweni kuti ndikuimba za serious. Professor? Over 15 years in the industry ati beef isiza mbelero. Kuma sungani mvebe na bali posekutia kalonda ali mu beef ni muntu ina wake. Sizingateke. Suzaniva kuti ndaimba nyimba nyoza muntu ina wake. Sizingateke. Suzaniva kuti ndamba na muntu ina kwa mu industry kata kwenyana faja zina sizingateke.
And ndikudola pamene bobo. I wrote a certain article in Canary. One of your songs was banned by MBC Radio.
Yes.
What can you say about that?
That was the foolishness of MPC. Time MPC was just being a fool. Okay. Some Marola and who has been express themselves. You so ganena, Zomwe Zongo Veras, MPC Makanga Mafans are 60. Kumva osamba kuti zino zikamba ya nungofika kungolusa kubana nyimbo.
Alright.
So me and 60 to clarify, no beef unless if you want it. Koma inesimaja beef in the rasta.
Alright.
And no enmity at all.
Umondimena photo was after what happened, he has nothing between here and the 16th.
Drink water and mind your business.
Yes, he's saying he's a bridge to artists from another level to another level, so he cannot cut that bridge. He's still as charming as ever, as smiley as ever. So you said you wanted to apologize. I
want to apologize.
Yes.
Not to TikTok. I can't do that, God forbid, because I'm like
okay.
No.
To whom then?
I want to apologize to the fans that are misled. Apparently, kumanga kunoko kuli kadona kuti anthu akamakonda artist winner, they think like kuda kuena udana artist winner. Fora makonda artist winner. Kuli mafans amate automatically akona ngata kala dana yaga Frederick. Mafans aje kalonda azuna ngata automatically panopa kuena kala dana as TikTok B. Kuli nyozera mafans akwa kunyoza artist watu. Iwe fashion this nyoza artist. No, it's not. Si jonjo. Si art in the most we have a small industry to destroy, God forbid. Come on. They are ngono kale. Tukenda kungubusha limos. So I want to apologize to the fans that were hurt by the comment that I made. Kudi anaona ngati ndanyoza artist wao wambi. I apologize to them. Sincerely. because zile sinimene kutelo kwa mafans because mafans amaja na mafans angaso sinifuna kugawa fans yeah. Apologize to them for the ndona ngati kuti data isanthawe yawo pakatipa molomota azikamba za mulungu angotukwana athotukwana kwambiri. If I saw you, my social media is full of messages otukwana kwambiri. Chimi pajakojo unyoka 60 mimbangela kwa janda mali. So I apologize to them. I wanted also to advise.
Yes.
I want to advise my upcoming up and coming artists. Mafana already they're in the industry. Akubwera pang'ono. They should quickly accept kunena kuti akubwera pang'ono ma upcoming artists. Kumena kupita kunali so anthu kale music imasunda uyasunhabita. You can come from point zero to ababa pali stages apo roads. Don't jump a stage. Komaso asamakhale mazona ngatafika kale kwambiri. Our industry imatenga sinthu zambiri kukosa luso alisa makana losiyana. This guy we're talking about is very massively talented. One of the few dance artists that I know in Malawi that will sell kunjao kuti ndi magaya dance. Very massively talented. Chismo Sting. Very massively talented. But you see what Chismo Sting is menda zimampangisa zambukani amalinga. Inampakisana anthu ena akasampanga accept for amampanga compare na malinga. Now they started kumagawana ugawa fanzi. 10 years when zozo zomati akudana ndi awati zipangayo nje sitingati vindulire 10 bushe zinthu zi remotes. Ma artist amene mukubwera kumene makidwa pa show kama machita kupempha kama machita kupemphedwa kuti mukakhale pa show akakuza ndumuza pake perform 1 koloko. Tabwera ndi ku show kuja 12 koloko. Sikupusa kumene.
All right. Let's cut the story short.
Yeah.
What are your last words?
My last words, social media ibole moto kwambiri. Isamango tengera zizo ngoti makumako. And remember about social media. Okay. People shouldn't attach our personal life to social media. Ine ngati fatani ngalonda. Ndi life yanga apa dera. Waba social media with muntu ina. I can tweet whatever I want because balibana ndroisa Facebook. Balibana ndroisa WhatsApp. And zomani nakuti aziphatikiza zimene zazo ndi vibe ya ineyo zimene nzausiyo. I've got a life outside times. Ndimapangaso zina zanga. If I want to collaborate ni mutu nankanira asatengi zimene jamaka ona kuti presenter wa times wakana collabo. Yeah. Ndi ineyo ndakana ndiyo.
All right.
Congratulations to TikTok B because apparently he's gained a very good fame. Panopo ndikuona ngati kuti anthu adziwaso ambiri. Amene samadziwa adziwaso kuti 639. You should use this moment. And show ndaona and show no grudges. Even if he wants me to host his show and then he tells me to cut off another artist, I'll cut. Of course, he will be the boss that time.
Okay.
Tidula muntu yo. Tidenge lazima ufuna. All the best on his show. I hope I'll be in Blantyre. If I'm in Blantyre, I'll come to the show. I'll watch.
All right.
It's peace. It's all peace for me.
Yeah, mwina timalize modeli. Mawanu kwa 6F, Super DD, komanso Onesimus. Their relationship, Kabena, whatever happened, what can you say about that?
To 6F, I feel like he should get a manager.
Okay.
He should get a manager to be speaking on his behalf. Because aga piantima ye managers should abida sumo piantim. As gankulonga professional.
Alright.
So he gets a manager, anga gets a manager. Managers aga bida kwina was gankulonga professional. One penage. Because it's very unfortunate kumaona meneza jidikira 6F na Onesimus kuti akuti anaimba Onesimus anabanga fija nyimbo ya 6F. And then 6F ababanga expect kuti Onesimus amjambulile video. Komaso azibanga posti. It's not automatic, it's not a guarantee. Ngasimuna kuizani. Kuimba kokako kunakwanira.
Alright.
Ngasimuna kuizani kwenda kuti kaimba uzibanga share, uzibanga post tenjani uzajambula video limos. I've done a lot of collabos. I don't even have a video. Obviously, mina yamayoni mara stages support na kuizana. So always do what you have agreed in my guys out and have a manager, my brother, because you need somebody to speak for you. To Onesimus, these young artists look up to us. Wafana awubera amayangana wife me Onesimus yo dantwe now. Gadi ana gwizana naye 6F zimezimana gwizana naye amene yangu panga zimezimana gwizana naye. So Onesimus as a senior artist, ineso ndikufuna kuti ndi mungomoza kuti umpepe, they should make peace with this young guy. For the industry and for Iwo and Hawiliwa. I believe this man of Guizana Garanga Wanizi. To DT, it's a bit tricky because as many Zukambi that it is in listeners one in Anenagari.
Yes.
If it happened, it was unfortunate. Could mean Anamuga Kampana. I've known DT as a very good chap. Like in a one Masiri DT. Obviously, could in Indian car, Nintimangara DT. tose ni mahost a show but ineyo ndido tasite ina yake nikoza kumuza muntu taiwe tie huko koma mona ngati titi ndodeka kwambiri ndi madabo kuti ati izi zachitikira koma ngati zinachitika yonjwa brother titi nawo somwina apeze njira yokumana ndi the best way is just these guys should meet ndikupanga discuss outside social media because on social media ndipo vuto gamba nkhani.
Yeah, guys, that's how we wind up with Blakjak. Naye wabwera wadzakamba nkhani kumbali yake. Ndengati kuli kotheka kuti mwinaso Super DT komanso Onesimus afunenso nawo to clarify kapena kukambaso kumbali yawo pa nkhani imene inachitika ku show. They are free to do so because every story has a lot of sides. So tikadzamva ma sides awo mmene Blakjak wanenera wakana zimene wayenera kukana zimene sizinachitike wazikana and zimene waona wapanga admit. So that's it, guys. Bye bye.
Thank you so much. Follow Makosana on Facebook and also follow Chegalon and 6 on Twitter. Okay.
And make sure to vote for the best mic battle artist.